What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a little mod to the 370Z Nismo. We're just going to be spicing up the interior a little bit and also changing the driving feel just a tiny bit. So what we're going to be doing is installing this 370Z Nismo carbon fiber shift knob. I got this one from Z1 Motorsports. So yeah, hopefully the install doesn't go too bad. I heard the removal of the OEM shift knob can be a pain in the ass sometimes. So hopefully it's not too bad, and hopefully we don't damage the OEM shift knob too much, just in case I ever want to go back to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. So all you're really going to need for this install is a pair, preferably 2 pairs of vice grips. I kind of have like this good size one, I have like an oversized one and like a small one. Preferably you'd want like 2 medium sized ones. And you're also going to want some towels to wrap around the shift knob and the under part of it, just so you don't damage it too much. And that's pretty much all you're really going to need. So first step you're going to need to do is you're going to have to unlatch this under the boot of the shift knob, and this is where you're going to see the under part of it. So essentially is we're going to have to hold this part of the shift knob with a wrench, and then so keep it still, and then on top of here with the other wrench you're going to be twisting it counterclockwise. So yeah, you're gonna have to use 2 hands, so it's gonna be hard to film for me, but I'm gonna try my best. After like 30 minutes of trying a bunch of different wrenches and methods, I finally got the first twist. I even had to use a glove. So I just got the first twist in, so hopefully from now it should be pretty easily. "30 minutes later, it's finally off, and look at the damage. Out of all the videos I've seen on YouTube of them removing the shift knob, I think I by far did the worst job of keeping the OEM one nice. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't plan on ever using this one again, so it's alright, I guess. Yeah, OEM shift knob for sale for $370. I'll give it away for 50 bucks. So when you buy the shift knob, specifically the Nismo carbon fiber one on Z1 Motorsports, it gives you the option to include a finisher for a few extra bucks. It's like a nice, pretty solid feeling finisher, sorry. And basically what it does is just helps remove the gap between the shift boot and the shift knob. Since this shift knob is pretty small, that just helps, you know, like fill in the empty space that's in between. So now that we got the finisher on there, the last thing to do is just screw this on. And that's on there pretty tight. So first impressions for this shift knob is that it's pretty small, a lot smaller than the OEM one, and a lot thinner. There's a lot less to grab onto. So, but it'll just take some getting used to. But it does look a lot nicer than the OEM one, and just gives the interior a nice little touch. But yeah, we're gonna go on a little test drive right now just to see how it feels driving and shifting. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So I'll drive. So after driving it around for a bit, I noticed there was like a really like loud clicking noise every time I would push it down or like move it around. And I guess when you remove the OEM shift knob, there's this little thing, I don't even know what this is, but it was in there. So all I did was unscrew the shift knob again and take this out. I wasn't sure if you needed it or not. I'm assuming you don't, because I don't think that clicking noise should be there. So I just went ahead and removed it and installed the shift knob back on there, and now there's no noise at all and it feels good. But yeah guys, overall I really like the shift knob. It feels really good, it looks really good, and it just gives a nice little change to the driving feel of it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the install. It was a pain in the ass to remove the OEM shift knob, but we got it done and it was worth it because it just looks really good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd really appreciate if you guys dropped a like down below, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be dropping more videos of mods coming soon, so yeah, stay tuned and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.